Krishna dropped his album Still Here, and in this video I will review it. But before that, $, Krishna is in a song titled Say My Name. He addressed himself as Lucifer, the ruler of hell, and he drank wine made from a rapper's blood. He is either Illuminati or a demon. अच्छा, अभी आपने जो इल्यूमिनाटी वाला सेगमेंट देखा और सुना, दैट वाज जस्ट अ जोक. आई रिस्पेक्ट कृष्णा एंड मैं उस पर्टिकुलर सेगमेंट से मैं किसी के भी सेंटिमेंट्स को हर्ट नहीं करना चाहता. नाउ कमिंग टू द कॉन्टेक्स्ट ऑफ दिस वीडियो. इस वीडियो में मैं कृष्णा के एल्बम स्टिल हियर को रिव्यू करूंगा. हैविंग सेड दैट, लेट्स बिगिन. यहाँ पे हम बात करेंगे अबाउट द गुड एंड अंडरवेलमिंग एस्पेक्ट्स ऑफ द एल्बम, यानी द गुड एंड द बैड एस्पेक्ट्स ऑफ द एल्बम. लेट्स स्टार्ट बाय अंडरवेलमिंग एस्पेक्ट्स.
अफसाने अब लिखता नहीं हूँ, मैं दुनिया को दिखता नहीं हूँ. मत पूछो मैं कितना सही हूँ, क्यों एक जगह टिकता नहीं हूँ.
Okay, so this album has a not up to the mark poster which does not visually appeal me. That doesn't look that nice. It was neither lavishly bad nor pretty good, but it could have been much better.
बसर करते हैं तेरे दिल में, असर है तो शिकवा करें क्यों. जिक्र होता है हर महफिल में, वो चाहते पर दिखता नहीं हूँ.
इस एल्बम में मुझे कृष्णा की वॉइस में कुछ ज्यादा टोन वेरिएशन नहीं दिखा. ना, व्हाट इज टोन वेरिएशन? इस टॉपिक को समझाने के लिए आई विल प्ले आउट स्नाइपेट्स ऑफ फ्यू सॉन्ग्स फ्रॉम Eminem's म्यूजिक टू बी मर्डर्ड बाय.
Only way that you're ahead of me's alphabetically. The words I'm in me, no matter when I hurt him, but I did him in a fit of rage. I'm murdering again, nobody will have him. Can't get out of this hole I'm in. It's like the walls are closing in. It's juvenile, delusional as usual. You're beautiful, and I got no plans to retire, and I'm still the man you admire.
अगर एक और एग्जांपल चाहिए तो रफ्तार मिस्टर नायर.
कर डाली बात दफन पर, घर से निकला सर बांध कफन.
आज रात भूला हूँ मैं तेरी मेरी फाइट.
तुमसे प्यार है, हाँ तुमसे प्यार है ज्यादा अपनी जान से.
ऐसा ही टोन वेरिएशन मुझे स्टिल हियर में मिसिंग लगा. नाउ लेट्स गो टू द गुड एस्पेक्ट्स ऑफ स्टिल हियर एल्बम.
If I were you and you were me, you were me, I would forgive you. जैसे तू हो एक सुरंग में, उसके एंड में तुझको रोशनी दिखी.
This album had a good strategy. The timing of its announcement and release of each song was also good. Krishna announced this album in Makasam, which is a perfect piece of art. Krishna had a hype during that time. His views were 2 times higher than usual. He consistently delivered good songs, and since he announced his album during that time, the people were eagerly waiting for the album. Even the release of each song was well planned. A song that sounds really good was released first, then the collab with Badshah, who is a big name in Indian music industry. Also, Badshah was a little different than usual. Collab with Ikka and Karma, collab with Raftaar. These collabs just increased the album sales and views, which brought many dollars to dollar. Krishna is smart. Along with the timing of release, announcement and collabs, he provides what his audience wants. His maximum audience wants him to spit some songs that are technically strong. Krishna does that with some storytelling and sad songs, which brought variety in the album.
If I were you and you were me, if you were me, मैं ऐसे टूटता के टूटते हैं तारे क्या.
Krishna utilizes his skills as usual. In this album, he has done a good job in hooks and verses. Not just Krishna, almost every artist who is featured in this album is worth featuring. We will talk more about who performed well in a particular song in the next segment. Now I will rank the songs of Still Here from bad to best, from number 9 to number 1. Also, I have heard this album a couple of times. Having said that, let's begin.
वो आज भी है मुंतज़िर, मुख्तसर एक मुलाकात का, फिर कभी मिल पाए ना.
Number 9 पे है Villain by Krishna, Karma and Ikka.
Around these rappers I'm kg like a kilo. सारी footage खा के ये दे रहे हैं मुझे बीरो.
This song drops down because the lyrics of this song does not completely satisfy the theme or say the concept of this particular song. In other words, villain does not completely serve its purpose because it has a lot of lines that don't make me imagine the artists as villains. Krishna's appearance in this song, his twists and his persona gave me more villainous vibes than his lyrics in this particular song titled Villain. Karma had no bars that made me imagine him as a villain. Moreover, his persona on the internet is of a nice guy and good guy rather than a villain. Then Ikka stole the show. Most of his bars made me imagine him as a villain.
पहले मकसद जान क्यों बना मैं मिस्टर रमजद खान being human के मुंह खोटे के मैं पीछे सलमान.
Ikka was the best in this song, whereas Krishna was average and Karma was even worse in the villain. Because this song contains many futile lines and only one artist out of 3 was good in the song, I have ranked villain at number 9 spot. By the way, the song had fine retention and the music video was pretty good as well.
अब बोल मेरे हमदर्द कौन I'm feeling like a Amjad Khan.
Let's see what is ranked at number 8 spot.
दिल डूबे मंजिल लगे दूर बहुत, उरूज से जवाल देखे हैं नूर बहुत.
नंबर 8 पे है What's My Name by Krishna.
कहना जो कहना है कहने दो मैं स्टिकर जैसे वीक लिवर पे लिकर से पर नो फिकर और पैनिक मोड.
जब मैंने ये गाना पहली बार सुना, I liked it too much, but after listening it several times, I felt it is not that fresh. It had some good references, wordplays, and there were lines that gave me the oh feeling, especially this one.
जल्दी फाड़ू रैपर जैसे बर्थडे पे मिले गिफ्ट.
Also, this song contains some good punchlines. Krishna could have added a couple of lines to the hook. In the beginning, it was a good song for me, but now it is above average.
Right take when I rhyme बढ़ता crime rate ये है dollar sign हर line करे define grade.
And the song that is placed at number 6 is totally opposite. Let's see which song is that.
गाने गाए बहुत, दिल दुखाए बहुत, न तुम्हें आए शर्म न हमें आए मौत.
Number 6 पे है सजाए मौत by Krishna featuring Raftaar.
G-Town boys मेरा block करे rap Southwest has too much sauce. ये गाना है सजाए मौत.
A good song but drops down due to the accumulation of lactic acid. A very good song but drops down because of its competitives. मतलब सजाए मौत के टक्कर में कुछ गाने हैं and they are good as well. So after a little confusion, I have ranked सजाए मौत at number 6 spot. Although it deserves to be ranked a little higher, but still okay. Krishna has done a good job in both verse and hook. Raftaar has done a good job as well. He has done an experiment with his voice and that is good as well.
गला जो चला तो सजाए मौत, गला ये कोट, गला जो चला तो सजाए मौत.
He sounds like a lion even more than usual.
गने बने वाली करे फिल्मी बातें मिले धन धन भर दूंगा इनमें चाटे. इनमें बातें मेरे मिले जिस जगह पे झंझनाट कानों में बिन पटाके.
The beat was good and the music video was also good. In the beginning I didn't like it, but slowly it became one of my favorite songs from the album. Sazai Maut gives a little brotherhood vibes. It also has a good retention, hence Sazai Maut is placed at number 6 spot. It deserves to be ranked a little higher, but due to tough competition, it is ranked a little low in the countdown.
मेरे शहर में लोग करे स्प्रे you can catch these strays like Fendi. Always tell me who run it. बंदूक चले बैन जैसे भू बने.
दिल्ली शहर if you really want smoke क्या करेगा चौक पर दूषण है.
बातें की लगी मुझे बेकार अगर नाम मेरे लिया मेरा एक बार.
If it's dollar sign then it's KR रहमान देता शॉर्ट से AR.
Now आपको लग रहा होगा मैं number 7 तो भूल ही गया, लेकिन number 6 has 2 songs. One is Sazai Maut and the another one is Na Hai Time.
कॉल करे पर बिजी मेरी लाइन जब तक दिखे नहीं मुझे डॉलर साइन.
अच्छा, ना है टाइम और सजाए मौत इन दोनों गानों को रैंक करना मुश्किल था, बट एनीवेज आई हैव मेड माई माइंड, बोथ आर एट number 6 spot. Talking about Na Hai Time, it is a good song, it has good retention and it is catchy. I didn't like it at the first go, but when I heard this again and again, I started liking it. This song has almost no problems, the lyrics were good enough, the beat was also good.
भागू तेरी चोरी करके चोरी नीरव मोदी.
Overall, it's a good song but drops down due to the accumulation of lactic acid. I hope you get it.
कहाँ जो दगा देके गए अपना दिखते बोलो.
So Nahe Time and Sazai Mauth are placed at number 6 spot. Also, should I drop a breakdown of Sazai Mauth or any other song from the album? Tell me in the comments.
कैसे लिखता हूँ ये वर्सेस, क्या करता हूँ महसूस, मैं बिना ताज का बादशाह का, nothing to lose. I'm crossing lines just to cancel out the booze.
Number 5 पे है Roll Up by Krishna featuring Badshah.
When I roll up, started on the bank gang signs, everybody knows. When I roll up,
I have a conspiracy theory that Badshah was possessed by a ghost/spirit of a good rapper when he was writing his verse for Roll Up. Badshah since he went commercial didn't release songs like Banduk, but recently he's putting out his skills. We will talk about Badshah's verse later. Now let's talk about few other aspects. Roll Up has a nice hook. The hook of the song got stuck in my mind. Even the verses were quite catchy. Krishna has done a good job in the hook and the verse. Badshah also got bars.
One of the highest pays लेकिन नाच भी मार लेकिन लेता नहीं फीस में.
He had a segment in his verse which is very different. This song gives a different vibe that I would like to describe as professional feeling.
डीप थे वास्ते मेरे भी ये संगीत से, अटलांटिस है ये रैप, गहरे नाते मेरे बीट से.
The beat is good. Overall a good song. I can listen to it. Already I have listened it several times and still I'm not bored of it.
थोड़ी बुद्धि गरम करवाना लियो गुद्दी गरम.
when I roll up, हर खौफ से आजाद कर दो मेरी जात को, किस्मतों से पाक कर दो मेरे हाथ को, जिस हिसाब से रखा है दिल पे बोझ मेरे, जैसे कारमा पीछे पड़ा है हाथ धो.
Number 4 पे है Living Legend by Krishna featuring Rashmeet Kaur. This song shows Krishna's legacy in Desi hip hop in a quite good way. Living Legend sounds really good. This song sounds great.
टोकियो ना मुझे क्यों तू मरना चाहता, जानी गेम है मुझे प्यारी, I'm a Hiroshima Nagasaki. अरे अरे
Good hook by Rashmeet Kaur. Living Legend has references and word plays.
नेट पे बैठे बोले one love, I don't give a f, serving these rappers up जैसे मैं Serena. Whoa.
There's nothing wrong with this song. Rhyme scheme was pretty good. This song has good retention. Krishna done a good job in the song, and so did Rashmeet Kaur. So Living Legend is placed at number 4 spot.
Legends never die, they rise करेंगे fight. तो राइज करेगा हाई, सच्चाई करेगा राइट, तो हाई बनेगा माइक पे.
अपना दिल से निकले आरज़ू, जब से दिल से निकली आज तू, दिल था मेरा गोशा है सुकून है, क्यों बना गई है ऐसे बाजार तू.
Number 3 पे है Still Here by Krishna, which is one of Krishna's favorite songs from the album.
Commitment वाले issue bro, I don't ever see love, life marathon, everybody trying to keep up.
पूरा फेम बाकी लगे मिले जीत जब जब जी घूमे के आसपास जैसे टीकअप. No no I don't fall for that, इनको तो चाहिए थोड़ा प्यार, I don't know for that. रात गुजारूं स्टूडियो में देना call for
Raps dedicate करी है life and that's all for rap.
In this song, Krishna puts out his emotions and the way he does that is good.
ये है गहरा दर्द, ये है कड़वा सच, deal with the devil, ये है मेरा कर्ज.
मेरी जिम्मेदारी है मेरा फर्ज.
This song has a pretty good beat. It has good lyrics. When I heard this song for the first time, I didn't like it, but slowly it became one of my favorites. It has an introduction part which is good. It has good retention.
बुलंद है मेरे हौसले हाँ, देखे मैंने आते जाते बहुत से हाँ.
इस दुनिया से जाना अनजान ये मेरा खौफ है, शायद सुने मुझे मेरी मौत पे ये हाँ.
So Still Here, the intro track of the album, is placed at number 3 spot.
On a roll, do it all for the legacy.
मेरे जगह पे नहीं है you never be.
मैंने रैपर बहुत टांगे like a centipede.
तेरे शहर में पैदा है ना बेबी जी, हर चीज की लगती है आजाद जैसे तेरे से.
This song represents art. Also, top 3 are almost equally strong and they can shuffle anytime. Having said that, let's move towards number 2. Also, try to guess which song is placed at number 1 and write it down in the comments.
अफसाने अब लिखता नहीं हूँ, मैं दुनिया को दिखता नहीं हूँ, मत पूछो मैं कितना सही हूँ, क्यों एक जगह टिकता नहीं हूँ.
Number 2 पे है Dream by Krishna. Krishna's another favorite song from the album.
I just had a dream since I was just a teen.
In Dream, time, Krishna tells a story. Krishna talks about the initial phase of his career.
बने हम द रॉयल रैपर्स इन 2002. That's how it goes.
Dream has a fantastic hook, a beautiful hook, and a beautiful melody is being played when the hook comes. The verse was good, Krishna does good storytelling, this song has good retention, the beat is good, it represents art and is placed at number 2 spot.
मेरे पास भी था whale जैसे Men in Black.
Let's see which track is placed at number 1 and why.
बसर करते हैं तेरे दिल में, असर है तो शिकवा करें क्यों, जिक्र होता है हर महफिल में, वो चाहते पर दिखता नहीं हूँ.
Number 1 पे है Fall Off by Krishna. This is straight 2 minutes of hardcore rap.
इनके बारे फिक्र ना है खास, I might kill him with a venom when I hit him in the heart. ये तो सेंटीमीटर रैपर्स इनका जिगर ना है hard.
This song has the best rhyme scheme in the whole album. It's good flow switches. Technically, it has to be the best song from the album. Krishna burns the paper from the flames of his pen.
Back to back, ये back मेरी limit नहीं करता हूँ track पे attack with ability.
Back तो ये back है मैं rap का epitome. Act करे mad but they actually feeling me.
It has good retention. I got no criticisms on this song. Krishna proves why he got fame and why he deserves it.
मुझे अक्सर बोलते थे बस कर, हर अफसर पे लगता मैं अफसर, ये पेन मिलिटेंट हर अक्षर है लश्कर.
How was the album? Really good. Safai Moth, Living Legend, Na Hai Time and Roll Up has enough potential to make it to the top 3. But they dropped down because few other songs which are slightly better than them. This shows how good the album is. That's it for now. अब तक मैंने जितनी भी वीडियोस बनाई है, सबसे ज़्यादा मेहनत इस वीडियो को बनाने में लगी है. Because the editing was a little complicated this time. रैंकिंग द सॉन्ग्स वाज डिफिकल्ट. मैंने ये वीडियो 1-2 बार बनाई थी बट मुझे लग रहा था कि नहीं, कुछ चेंजेस करने पड़ेंगे एंड मुझे ऐसा लग रहा था कि मैं इसमें कुछ बदलाव नहीं करूँगा बल्कि फिर से बनाऊँ. एंड ऐसे करते करते दिस वीडियो टुक फॉर एवर टू मेक. अगर आपको ये वीडियो पसंद आई है तो लाइक करना, अगर पसंद नहीं आई तो डिसलाइक करना. ऐसी वीडियोज़ के लिए इस चैनल को सब्सक्राइब करना. ऑल्सो टेल मी अ सॉन्ग फ्रॉम द एल्बम टू डू अ ब्रेक डाउन.
I ask God why you made fear. सब रोना चाहते but we hate tears. I'm never sober but I stay clear. समझ से बाहर में जैसे शेक्सपियर.
क्योंकि 6 महीने रुक जा मेरी बॉडी बनने वाली है. 6 महीने रुक जा मेरी बॉडी बनने वाली है. 6 महीने रुक जा मेरी बॉडी बनने वाली है.
Rapper Krishna stylized his name as $NA and dollar is US currency. And जब आप $1 नोट के पीछे देखोगे तो आपको एक ट्रायंगल मिलेगा जिसके अंदर एक आई है. And that is the symbol of Illuminati. यानी कि जी हाँ,